Hi, Vladimir Kireev here. I'm an Avery Dennison specialist trainer, and today I will show you 3 ways to protect the underside of a door handle with PPF. The first method is suitable for those who don't feel comfortable to cut with a knife on a car. This is the safest method. We will prepare the template first and only then apply on a car. The other two methods are suitable for confident installers who can cut polyurethane film without damaging the paintwork on a car. Let's go! So, why do we need to protect these areas under the handles? This is a very common problem as people scratch these areas with their fingernails and rings when opening the doors. This is especially true for people with long nails that constantly touch the car body. For this work, we need the following tools and materials: Avery Dennison SPF X1, scissors to cut the template, several of your preferred squeegees that you like, masking tape, and a felt tip marker. And that's all. The first method is suitable for absolutely everyone. It is a safe way that anyone can follow. For this we need adhesive tape. We apply the tape under the handle so that it completely covers the profile of this area. It is not necessary to make everything perfectly straight. Then we take another piece of masking tape and apply the rest of it in several layers, 2-3 layers. The more layers there are, the more precise the shape of the pattern will be. When finished, it is necessary to outline the exact area of our template. Draw the line just below the edge. And the same from bottom. Now, carefully remove the template. Then I apply the template on the Avery Dennison polyurethane in this way. If wrinkles appear, don't worry, it will straighten during application. Take scissors and cut out the shape. Around the edges. If you leave it sharp, there's a risk of film lifting. Remove the tape from the film. We have created a template that can be applied. You can make all 4 patterns for the doors first if you prefer. Let's take the template and start applying. You can place something in the handle. It will keep it raised and make application easier. Apply soapy water or gel. Also be sure to wet your fingers so you won't leave marks on the adhesive of the film. Remove the liner and spray the template. You can use silicone or nitrile gloves. I work with my hands only, as it's more convenient for me. Now start to smooth out the film. If you use soapy water, it makes sense to apply some water with alcohol after the piece is positioned, so the adhesive starts to stick to the surface. When using gel, you don't need to do this. For hard to reach areas, I use own-made squeegee. This is a part of Avery Dennison standard thread squeegee. So my friends, that was method number 1. The next method is for installers with great cutting skills. This is my preferred technique which I use the most. First you need to measure the width of the handle area. In this case, I see it takes a little less than the width of the squeegee, approximately 8 cm. Make a strip that will apply in the area under the handle and later trim it to the shape. Let's do it! I fix it from the top, then from the bottom. Note, I take a squeegee and push the entire width of the film into the recess. Try to remove all the liquid. Now wipe off the elements. Remove excessive liquid so we can inspect it and see if the result is as we expected. Next, we use our sharp knife with a freshly snapped blade and trim along the required line. From one side and repeat on the bottom. You can also round these corners. This was my favorite method. I highly recommend using it. And we move to the next option. This method is for those who are proficient in cutting. Remove the film, moisten the application area and the film with alcohol or gel. Put the film on. Moisten it with the soapy water so that the squeegee slides well. Loosen the film a bit into the handle recess in order to reduce the tension. Fix the film on both sides, same as in the previous methods. Now an important point, take a soft squeegee, bend it in the shape of a recess and in one motion remove air and water pushing to the sides. Now the film is applied and we can cut it to the desired shape. This way we can protect a larger area under the handle. There are some car models on which you can protect a very large area, including those parts. Remember to snap off the blade, ensuring you have a sharp knife. Check. Now I can cut. I start cutting from the bottom along the top line and continue on the bottom side. Here you can cut in the other direction if you prefer. Now lift the film, remove the excess part, press the edges and enjoy the result. The cut shape can be made for your preference, just as you like it. Those are the 3 installation techniques to protect the area under the door handle. Choose your method based on your preference. Stay well, goodbye.